Hello, scientists. Okay, this week we're starting off, first of all, welcome back from break and to your first non-live assignment. I'm so happy to have you all back. I hope you had a nice relaxing break. So our first assignment this week is to review and unpack the rubric for a literacy summative assessment that you will be taking not this week, but the end of next week. So we're going to assess two literacy topics. They should look familiar to you. One is Intro to Topic with Claim, and the second, you can see them up here under Standards, Supports Claim with Evidence. Okay, so you're going to be reading an article and responding to this prompt right here. Should students be required to get a flu vaccine before returning to school? And that is the prompt that you will be responding to. And in the instructions here it says make a claim in response to the prompt. And that would be this prompt here. And highlight two pieces of textual evidence from the article, does my child need a flu shot this year, that support whatever claim that you make. And we will be reading this article together in class. Okay. So these are the rubric, and here are the two different topics. The one is literacy introduces claim. To get it advanced on this, you need to first of all meet all the criteria here for proficiency. So your claim needs to do these things. It needs to answer the prompt. It needs to turn the prompt into a statement. It needs to be used as a complete statement, and it needs to be supported with evidence from the article. So if you do all of those four things, you'll get a 3. But if you introduce the claim in kind of a unique or interesting way, then you will be able to get a 4. A 2 would mean you didn't do all of these. Maybe you did some of them, but not all of them. And a 1 would mean you only did one of these things, or you didn't do any of them at all. So those are the ways that you would get how we're going to score your claim. Now this assessment will also be scoring your evidence. Now for evidence, I don't have an advanced option for this. So for your proficient, what you need to do is just need to make sure that both of your pieces of textual evidence support your claim, and that would get you a 3. A 2 would be the textual evidence tries to support your claim. Maybe one piece supports it and one piece doesn't. And a below basic would be none of your textual evidence supports your claim, or it's not related to your claim. Okay, so we'll be going over this rubric in class, but please now take a minute in your digital science notebook and respond to the questions that I asked you about this rubric. All right, and again, let me know if you have any questions.